Guys, it's Jazzy. So I just got this for free. See in my video why. Hey guys, so I have this cool app I would love for you guys to try out. It's called Fetch, and basically it is super easy. So what you guys do is basically upload your receipts. Now, I'm not saying you have to go out there and buy a bunch of stuff, but your daily receipts that you might be purchasing stuff or things like that, you upload them and get points, and then you can use it for your rewards. So, as you can see, these are all the rewards you can use. So all of these are gift cards. So the little gold ring that you see on some of these, that means I qualify for it. So as you can see, there's categories. So you got Applebee's and restaurants, and let's see, Bonefish Grill. You can do Starbucks. You can do AMC. You can do, if you want to use it towards Hulu. You can also do Domino's, Starbucks, Target. You can also do Visa if you prefer the cash. And so this is really cool way to earn points and earn some discounts or gift cards for just doing your daily stuff. So as you can see, you can do other little ones like hotels and stuff. But I really just focus on Starbucks or Target, the places I normally probably will shop. I would love if they had Dollar Tree on here, but unfortunately they don't have that. But I mean, I'm not complaining. I'll take Starbucks any day. But as you can see, you can also do clothes, Old Navy, uh, and then you can do, as you can see at the top, there was Starbucks, but you can even do Amazon. You can do some eBay stuff, Lowe's, Marshalls. So a lot of good stores are on here. TJ Maxx, uh, the Home Depot store. So a lot of good places that you would probably shop at daily. So what you do is basically upload receipts. As you can see, there is an option for a camera, and you would see actually your camera. I blocked it out, but basically you will update your receipt and take a picture. It's going to show you the option to make sure that you have the date, the name of the store, and your total. As long as you have that in that picture, it will allow you to do it. They do have a cutoff amount, so I think you can only do about 25 or 20 receipts at one time. And they also have an expiration kind of cutoff. So I think if it's the receipt is like more than I think a week or two apart, they will not let you upload it. So as you can see right now, you see something on my screen. It's loading. It's checking Amazon. So another cool feature is that you can upload e-receipts. So for me, I shop a lot, and my husband shops a lot at Amazon. So you just basically put in your information, and then it will automatically check for you what you purchased. I don't do it super often, just to give it time to collect the data, but occasionally, I would say every week or a week and a half, I'll do it so that way I could get the bonuses that I want to get. So as this is loading, as you can see at the top right hand side, those are my points. So as this process, you will see them go up and you will see right there it says that I would get bonus points of 300. So as you see, yay, I got it. And so then you get 25 points here, 25. Now I would say most of the receipts are about 25 points unless you get qualified for little bonuses, which I will show you soon. But other than that, I think out to eat or like fast food is about 5 points, and then gas usually equals about 25 unless you bought something at the store with it that you might get extra points, but most of them are 25 points. So you're probably thinking, well, that's gonna take forever. Honestly, it doesn't. I've cashed out probably 3 times already just because I wanted to use the extra, gift card for Starbucks or wherever I was going. If I would have saved it, I would have had a lot more points. But these are ways that you could get extra points. So if you see here, each week or time frame, they have it advertising. If you buy these type of brands in this product, you will get an extra bonus point. So as you can see, they have toilet paper, and they have Huggies, and they have some alcohol brands. They have all kinds of things that can earn you extra points. And when I mean extra points, as you can see, like if you get so many Huggies, you get 3,000. All right, guys, so I have a quick deal for you guys to sign up. So if you look at the bio at the bottom of this video, you can qualify for a bonus of 2,000 points if you sign up. This is not sponsored. I just would love to help you guys out, and in return, I get a little something and you get a little something. So if you like this app and you would love to earn free coffee or free gift cards or cash, uh, sign up today. See you guys soon. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye, guys.